In a small village, a curious girl named Layla discovers an old, dusty book in her grandmother's attic. The cover reads, "Secrets of the Enchanted Forest." Her eyes sparkle with excitement. As Layla opens the book, a glowing map slips out. It shows a giant tree with a question mark. "This must lead to an adventure," she whispers, clutching the map tightly. At the edge of the forest, Layla hears a mysterious voice. "You're the only one who can save us." With a deep breath, she steps into the shadows of towering trees. Suddenly, a fluffy white rabbit named Snow appears. "The forest is in danger," he says. "We must reach the golden tree before midnight." Layla nods bravely. A crumbling bridge blocks their path. "Hold on, Snow." Layla leaps from plank to plank over a roaring river, her heart racing with every jump. A stone gate looms ahead, carved with a riddle. "What has leaves but isn't a plant?" Layla shouts. "A book!" The gate creaks open, revealing a hidden path. Glowing fireflies light their way until giant spiders attack. "Run, Snow!" Layla yells, dodging sticky webs as they sprint through the dark. Layla shines her flashlight, blinding the spiders. "We made it!" she gasps, collapsing in a moonlit clearing. Snow cheers. "You're amazing!" They reach the golden tree, but its leaves are fading. "The darkness is stealing its magic," Snow cries. Layla spots inside a wooden box. Layla finds a glowing crystal labeled Power of Light. "This will save the forest," she says, holding it high. Bright light floods the trees. A shadowy monster, the Dark King, roars. "Give me the crystal," Layla shouts. "Light is stronger than darkness." The crystal's glow destroys him. The golden tree regrows its leaves, shining brighter than ever. A wise voice echoes, "Thank you, Layla. You're our hero." Snow hands Layla a magic seed. "Plant it, and it will protect you forever," he says. Layla grins. "I'll keep it safe." Back home, Layla plants the seed. Instantly, a tiny glowing tree sprouts. "It's beautiful," she whispers, watching its light twinkle like stars. Layla visits Snow every day, guarding the Enchanted Forest. She learned that curiosity and courage can change the world, and sometimes magic is real.